Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5423P. This is a 2024 Ford F-350 regular cab flat deck with 113K. 24, it's got this nice updated front end on there. This one also comes with the optional 7.3 liter Godzilla V8. Ford put out this motor with intentions on competing with a diesel. So it does have plenty of jam. It's also good on fuel for what it is as well. Out back, we've got this 12-foot long by 8-foot deck. There's also a hitch as well as 7-pin wiring. Deck surface itself has got a boatload of room. It's big enough for your skid steer attachments, whether you're in the landscaping business or in the construction business. It's also got plenty of room for farm implements or stuff to put on there as far as the farm goes, whether that be a pallet of fertilizer, a pallet of seed, toolboxes, welders, compressors, anything you might need to lug around the farm. That 12 by 8 deck's got plenty enough room for that. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise. There's Bluetooth, nice little screen in the center there. There's also some auxiliary switches up above for operating things like beacon lights, buggy whips, those slip tank pumps or whatever else you might outfit the truck with. So again, plenty of uses anywhere from the farm to the construction industry. Having a nice, newer, low-kilometer truck like this will make a great addition to your fleet. Again, stock number 5423, a 2024 Ford F-350 flat deck.